baby, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make vanilla peanut cake loaf. So guys, let's go. The recipes are egg, crushed peanut, sugar, flour, vanilla extract, milk and oil. You split the egg yolk and egg white. Mix the egg white until it becomes so foamy. Afterwards, you add sugar 3 times and mix again until it becomes so smooth. So smooth in a way that there won't be sugar particles beneath. Thereafter, you add the egg yolk and mix again. Add a drop of vanilla extract and mix again. Pour in crushed peanut and flour. Mix from bottom to top. Add milk and oil afterwards and give it a final mix. For the baking process, you can either use a baking pan or aluminum plate. Preheat the oven. At this stage, tap the bottom of the pan on the surface to get rid of the bubbles and bake. Fluff. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.